Alright, we're back. Let's see. We need some gaskets. Let's see if they fit. There's a brand new ones there. Let's see, what do we got? We got some James gaskets. These look thick. These feel extra thick. Extra thick means you got low compression. Yeah, they're 30 thou thick. That's why they're extra thick. That's thick. Interrupted. I'm back. Okay, we're back. Okay, so the other set of gaskets, they both feel thick too. Yep, same thing. I don't want to make them so thick for. No reason for that. Alright. These ones are 29, those are 30, 31, so whoopee. Most gaskets are only 20 thou thick at most. Lowers the compression down. Makes it easier to kickstart. Make them happy. Okay, they fit nice and tight on the cylinder. I like that. That's what's nice about James gaskets. They fit pretty good. Okay, that'll work. Alright. So we're going to put our rings on the pistons here. So this is our oil ring. Always put the gap over here. Put this gap right here on the other side. This one's here, this one goes over here, so they don't overlap. You want to have a nice good 1 inch of overlap between all your gaps minimum. Now this one you can wrap. See, this wrapping means you do it like this. That's called wrapping. See, even this doesn't want to wrap. That's pretty hard. That's working it pretty hard. I don't like wrapping it that hard. That's pretty rough. See, the smaller the bore, the less you can do that too. Plus it's got a really high dome on it, which doesn't help the matter. Okay, now we go 180 over from the last one. And I always pull this out with even my thumbnail behind or something so it doesn't scar everything up. Put the ring like that. Then you'll get a big gap. Should be nice and free like that when you're done. Okay, now this is the important part here. Okay, you gotta make sure there's no, somewhere in here there's a darn mark. I don't see the mark, but I know it's on this side because this has a taper cut to it. So, somewhere there's a mark on this damn ring. You can moisten up a little bit with some spit on it or something. I highlight it. I just rub my fingers across. Somewhere on either one of these two sides of them is going to be a ring size. I can't see it in that light. Yeah, don't see it. I don't see the mark anywhere. That's weird. Somewhere there's a mark on there. Well, either way, there's an angle cut right here in the groove. You can see the side gap of the ring. See the chamfer there? That usually goes up. I don't know why you can't see it, but it tells you how it goes. So, there should be the size of the ring written on there somewhere. So here's what the rings look like. We have this going on right now, this version. It's not square. Doesn't have a little chamfer cut on the bottom. We have the chamfer cut top inside, this is chamfer cut bottom inside. This has a dot on dot. There's no dot. We have this style ring, so that's how it goes in. But there should be numbers on there telling you that, but I don't see them. So Oh well, good thing I know how they go. So make sure the chamfer goes up. So when you put these on, you're going to want to spread these apart with your thumb to make it go on. So if you go like this, you go up the top of that. If you go over here, you got to go around the edge of this, which is equal to less pressure. You want to put this down here where it belongs in a ring land. And start spreading. So you spread with your thumb and push with your forefingers. Do not warp the ring. See how that one's in the right spot? This one's not quite where it belongs. Put them both down there where they belong. And just kind of wrap it around with by pushing on it. And it spans over. Gets pretty hard on your thumb like that. You can come over here and do it with like this. Just push evenly with your finger. It pops in, see? Now when you're all done, the ring should be nice and free, no binding. And very important is, if these are not lined up exactly straight, you bent the ring. So very important, make sure it's straight. Okay, this one here we have a little dot, it goes up. Same thing. Put the top ring there, see how it goes right around. Boom. Nice and free. Everything's nice and free, that's what you want.
I'll be back.
Okay. So there we go. That one's done. Next one. I don't like to see how much you can open that up to make that go in there. It's a lot. That's a long ways. Working very well on that one. So don't bend it. Find the sweet spot where it will flex around. If you force it and bend it, it doesn't work. Who's that, Scooby? You go get the mailman? You gonna go bite the mailman? Scooby's checking out the mailman over there. Ooh. Alright, we're back. Scooby's playing with the mailman over there. Alright, that one all good. Things over there, over there. Okay, so I don't ever put my gaps on the thrust face or on the side face. I always do on the 45s. And I stagger everything 180 apart. So that one's 180 over there. The O-ring where it was here is 180 over here. They're staggered 90 degrees apart from each other. Alright, that's good to go. We're almost ready to put something together today. That'll be different. Okay, so now we gotta do some lubrication. So, gonna lubricate the inside of the piston pin here, hole, like that. If you lubricate both sides of the piston, you don't have to lubricate the wrist pin. For the cylinder, I lubricate the top 1.5 inches or so. There we go. Alright, we're back again. Keep getting interrupted. Okay, so I'm going to cinch up our gaskets here. So we can get these things, get this motor together. Alright. Go get our case first. Then we goop up our gasket. Cylinder here. Doesn't really matter if you get some on the outside of the sleeve there. As long as it's not in the bore, you're good. Lay the gasket down like that. Now when you put these gaskets down, you have a thin side and a thicker side. You can force one wrong. Look at your cylinder, find out what the thin side is, which is over here. So you lay it down, that's how you lay it in there. When you do it right, it fits. Thin side matches thin side. Line the holes up. Push it down with your fingernail. You're good. Alright, you can see how we got oil in there too. Only in there a little bit. So now we got to put the pistons in. Okay, you gotta make sure you don't mix up your cylinders. So on a Sportster, this little notch here is for the exhaust spigot. These are the push rods, that's exhaust, so you have to figure out which cylinder that is. Where's the exhaust pipe in your cylinder? You look it up on the right side, that tells you what cylinder you're on. It's pretty hard to figure out. Once you figure it out, then you put your piston in it. Okay, we got the clip right here, it goes on the push rod side, just like that. So if you lay there at an angle a little bit, the ring goes right there. You put the ring in and compress the ring by putting in the cylinder. Just squeeze it with your fingers, and it'll go in as long as you do it right. It's in there. This one's already overlapped a little bit. Squeeze the ring with your thumb. Put light pressure on as you go down. It goes in. This one should go over there. Here's our gap right here, so that means the old one, the gap's on that side. Just go like that, work around. Come around this side where the gap is. See, the ring just kind of walks through the bore there. When it gets stuck like it is right now, don't keep forcing it. Relieve the pressure on that side a little bit. Come back around this side. And it goes in. Piston should rotate a little bit when you're in there all the way. Make sure this is up above the surface here. So get your pin in here. And now that one's ready to go together. See, just slip it on the motor. Boom. Simple. If you have to worry about your piston, you worry about the direction, you make sure the valve pocket's in the right spot. So on this one the valve pockets are equal, so it's not an issue. So I'll do the next one. Same thing. Push rod sides here. Which piston are we on? Where's your notch at? See? Front of bike, rear bike. Figure out what the exhaust notch is. It varies. See him do. Ring gap's back there. You're going to compress the ring there, compress this together, and then you start pushing on the side. It'll shove it in. That one's in already. This one automatically goes in, but see it caught the ring rail right here. So you have to push the ring rail in. Use your thumbnails there a little bit. Now if you gotta use a screwdriver, don't use the edge, use the side of the screwdriver. One's in. Okay, there's our ring gaps. That means the other gap's over here. See, it already went in on the bottom. Now we're into this one. There's one going right there. There it goes. And if your piston where you want it to be, move it up a little bit to get the pin in there. We're good. So now that one's ready to go on.